Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you new 3D depth clocks for your Galaxy devices. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store, search Pika Super Wallpaper and download this Pika Super Wallpaper app on your Galaxy device. Guys, I already made video on Pika Super Wallpaper, but recently Pika Super Wallpaper update and add some interesting 3D depth clocks. And let me show you how to apply these depth clocks on your Galaxy devices. Then first download this app and simply open. After open, guys, look at these many beautiful super wallpapers on this app. Simply tap on all. And guys, look at these super wallpaper, game wallpaper, live wallpapers. Guys, if you want to know about these super wallpapers and how to install on your any Android, then simply check out full video link on description. Now simply scroll and look at this new section. Simply tap on new and new 3D depth clocks on this app. First, simply select any one. Now tap on set wallpaper and choose this option to unlock this wallpaper. But guys, before unlock this wallpaper and apply, let me show you. First guys, disable your system lock screen. Then simply tap and hold on your system lock screen. Tap on your adaptive clock. Guys, remember, select first this adaptive clock font and simply go tap on colors and set transparency like this. Complete low transparency and simply tap on done and look at this adaptive clock completely disable from lock screen. Now simply set like this, tap on done. Now apply this depth clock. First unlock, tap on this option. Now again tap on this option. Now guys, look at this, our depth clock unlock. Simply tap and OK. Tap on set wallpaper. Guys, you set only on lock screen or home screen or in both. Then simply tap on set wallpaper and look at this new depth clock enable on my Galaxy device. Look at this live seconds. Let me show you another clock. Simply tap on set wallpaper and again new wallpaper set on your Galaxy device. And guys, look at this 3D effect on this depth clock. Let me show you again another one. So guys, you also enable these new depth clocks on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.